Muri ahoro, kana muri ega. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Learning the Kikuyu Language with Ruth and Mary. I'm Mary. I hope you enjoyed the last lesson we had, which was on the common words spoken in the Kikuyu language, some of the common words. Today we are going to learn about singular and plural, some of the words. Twambĩrĩrie singular and plural. Ùrûmwe na wĩingĩ. Tawa, that is a lamp. The plural is matawa, wĩingĩ. You can make a sentence, tawa wĩna ũtheri mũingĩ, kana tawa wĩna ũtheri mũnene. The lamp is very bright. That's an example. Kana kĩonereria. Then we metha. That's one table. Metha, tables, it doesn't change. Remains the same. Metha, metha. Kĩonereria. Example. Irio ciĩ metha-inĩ. The food is on the table. Irio ciĩ metha-inĩ. Then you have like a chair. Gĩtĩ. One. When there are many, you say ite. You have mũrango. When it's one. When there are many, you say mĩrango. Then you have like a bisha, picture. When it's one, then it stays the same. It doesn't change. Bisha, pictures, bisha, picture. Whether it's one or many, it's bisha. Like we can have an example. Bisha ici nĩ thaka. These pictures are beautiful. Itumbĩ, an egg. Then when there are many, matumbĩ. Then you have a knife. Kahiũ, kahiũ. When there are many, you say tũhiũ, tũhiũ. You have an example like kahiũ gaka nĩ kogĩ, kahiũ gaka nĩ kogĩ. This knife is sharp. Kahiũ gaka nĩ kogĩ. Then you have mũgate, bread, mĩgate, bread. Nyũmba, one house. Then nyumba, houses. Nyumba does not change. It remains the same. Just like bebe, which is maize. Whether it's a mini or not, bebe remains the same. Just like the English maize. Ng'ombe remains ng'ombe. One cow, ng'ombe. Many cows, ng'ombe. Then you have the word, rũthingo. Then when there are many, thigo. You have kirathi, a class. Then when there are many, irathi. We come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you have gotten something. If there is anything that you want us to change or add in the lessons we are giving, please write on the comment. It will really help us. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and like. Tigwo wega.